Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 3 hectares, tulo ni ka hektarya. Second lot from National Highway, located in Balilihan, Bohol. So, dool rani sa Tagbilaran, near Tagbilaran City. Approximately 20 to 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So, this is a very nice property, guys. Yeah, surrounded by mountains. So, libutan is mga muto, guys. Tawag na mo muto is mountain. So this is the road right of way from the highway, from the concrete road going to the property. So it has already a road right of way. Ana na, guys, okay na ang road right of way ana, no? All you have to do is to develop a little. Develop po na gamay. The price is 120 pesos per square meter. So 30,000 square meters times 120 pesos per square meter. So mao na siya ang presyo, guys. So it could be an asking price. Pwede ra siya mahangyo gamay lang. So mao na siya, no? Ya, dool sa Tagbilaran. Water na ay mga kuan diha, guys, na ay mga kanang gitawag og tubod. Water kana bang maglungag lang ka diha, nanay mga tubod, flowing water, or kanang like you dig a well. So ingana na, guys. So mao nay naka-advantage ani nga property, no? Duol ra sa highway nya Tagbilaran City, 20 o 30 minutes drive. Mana na duol ra gyud. Ya, makita nimo, no, surrounded by mountains ya. Ideal for farming, guys. Mura ni siya og kanang nakawa. Mura ba og ang patag, the flat terrain is in the middle, then side by side are the mountains. Now. So bugnaw dire, meaning it's cool place. Climate is cool. So ana libutan mas mga bukid. So mao na sistema, guys, nya. Presently planted by kuan vegetables like kanang tawag og kalimot ko si tawag anang kuan. Basta kanang mukatay. So ampalaya, ampalaya. Palaya. Si tawag ana, no. Mao ni gitawag na mog palaya or ampalaya. So ilan ang gibutangan, guys, og kutay-kutay ba kanang para ni kuan ditso na. So very nice and beautiful. So see, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. I repeat, 30,000 square meters or 3 hectares at 120 pesos per square meter. Slightly negotiable. Okay? Mana ang gilungag na, guys, nanay day tubig. So okay. Thank you.